Please remember that we are all connected, and by healing ourselves, we can heal the others. As we heal the others, we heal ourselves. And now more than ever is a time that we need healing. So coming to this mat every day is a chance for you to make an impact on the entire world around you. This is not a selfish practice. This is a practice that helps you to come into balance, into a better state of emotions and mind, and you radiate that vibration. And remember, everything is vibration, everything is energy. You are constantly emitting a field of energy around you that's impacting everything in this universe. There is a ripple effect. So what you do for yourself, you are doing for the other. So take care of yourself every day, even if it's just for 10 minutes in the morning. Do something each morning to balance that energy, whether it be movement or breath or meditation. But it's your responsibility to take care of your contribution to the world. And this is one of the powerful ways to make sure that you send out a high vibration into the world around you.